Do you see this box? Do you know what this is? This is the December Boxyluxe unboxing. So with Boxycharm, every 3 months they do a Boxyluxe. You can pay an extra, I think it's $28, some 20 something dollars. So you pay like, it's like $40 altogether for this. I haven't even opened it, so even though it's a little bent, I'm gonna open it right now. I already know what's in here. I'm so excited. Oh my god, there's a lot in here. It actually smells like really good. Tis the season. Tis the season. I get it. So they're gonna list every product in here and the price, which is great. And let's see. They also give you some coupons you can use, which is nice. The first thing I see, it's a girl's world. This is the Pretty Young Thing. It's a girl's world mini ceramic styling tool. Comes in a little zip bag. What color did we get? Ooh, let's see. I got green. It's so cute. Look how tiny that is. You get your roots really low. Tiny. Like, that retails, holy shit. That tiny straightener is $75. $75. It's very expensive. Body washed infused buffer, multi-use spongel blossom bliss. So it's a multi-use body sponge. This is what smells good. Look how cute! It's a little star. It smells really good. What does it smell like? Directions. Place sponge underwater, squeeze to absorb, massage in circular motion to cleanse skin, squeeze out excess water for each use. That's fancy. Retails for $20. $20 for the sponge. The next thing we have in here. I'm so excited. Oh shit. The Luxe Complete Face Set. Look at how cute these are. So you get a round top blender, a tapered highlighting, precision brush, tapered blending brush, eye shading, flat definer, a brow and lash spoolie, and a lip brush. This whole thing retailed for $65. This is $65. I'm shook to the core. Crimes of Beauty wristlet. It says Glam AF, and there's a portable charger inside. This retails for $22. That's so freaking cute. This is to charge it. You obviously need something to charge it, but there's different plugs that come out. So this clips in here. By the way, it says Crimes of Beauty on the front. This clips in here. You've got your iPhone charger. Just plugs back in. The Wander Beauty Wanderess Dusk to Dawn blush and highlighting palette. That's what it looks like. This retails for $26. That's what it looks like. The package. Let me hide it here. That's what that looks like. We've got Tuscan Sunrise, Havana Nights, and City Lights. I'll swatch it on my arm. So that's the shades right there. I really like the ending blush, the Tuscan Sunrise, and the highlighter. It's really pretty. This is what I'm really excited for. This is the LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It says clinically proven to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. It's everything your skincare routine has been missing. Cocktail of seaweeds that has been blended with ginkgo biloba, and mimosa to moisturize and visibly improve fine lines. An anti-aging cream will leave your skin feeling supple, firm, and radiant. Use after toning before applying primer and foundation to give your makeup a flawless, healthy looking finish. This is $89. Oh my god, it's so expensive. I'm just jumping right into it. This is what it looks like. This is $89. Here comes the big girl. This is the Violet Voss Pro HD palette. It's $45. It's Violet freaking Voss. First of all, are you ready? Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that light. Oh, it's even more pretty inside. There's a huge mirror. First of all, hi. Oh, I'm freaking G. Oh, these are beautiful. Let's watch a few. Those are. It's like ASMR. These are so cute. I will use this a lot. So much. Lorac Royal Treatment Mascara. So it comes with a primer and the mascara. This retails for $24 for this. So the blue side is the primer. Frosted Tips, bitch. Prettiest shimmering lip paint. It's a glitter lip paint, which I love glitter. It is $20 for this right here. This is in the shade Flaming Hot. We're gonna put it on. I love that sound. It's very pretty. It's not too sticky either. And it smells pretty. It smells very good. Oh, it smells like cake. So this box alone was like $380, almost $390, if not. It's gonna show you everything, the price, how to apply them, how to use them. They give you a tip on there. This is a very long list. Just saying. So yeah, if any of you are interested in the Boxycharm box itself, I highly recommend getting it. You can't get this box unless you have Boxycharm to be subscribed. So do that. Do it. You won't regret it. I never regretted it. I regretted leaving.